Imagine a crowded city street in the year 1900. The air is thick with the smell of horse manure and coal. Suddenly, a strange vehicle glides silently through the crowd. There is no roaring engine, no cloud of black smoke. You'd be forgiven for thinking a modern eco-car somehow traveled back in time, but this was reality. Most of us believe hybrid cars are modern marvels, a high-tech invention born in the 1990s to save the planet. But the exact concept powering today's vehicles was actually built years before the Wright brothers achieved powered flight. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today, we're popping the hood on hybrid electric cars. We'll uncover their century-old secret and explain exactly how they managed to sip fuel while giving you the best of two completely different worlds. Let's rewind the clock back to that year, 1900. A young engineer named Ferdinand Porsche unveiled a vehicle called the Lohner-Porsche Mixte. It had a traditional gasoline engine powering an electrical generator, which in turn drove electric motors located right inside the wheel hubs. It is widely considered the world's first hybrid car. So why didn't it take the world back then? Shortly after its invention, massive crude oil discoveries in Texas made gasoline incredibly cheap. A few years later, Henry Ford's mass-produced Model T made gas-powered cars affordable for everyone. Hybrid passenger cars largely disappeared for decades, until growing environmental concerns in the late 1990s paved the way for cars like the Toyota Prius to resurrect the technology for the mainstream. So how exactly does a modern hybrid work? Think of a hybrid car as a mechanical marriage between two historic rivals, the internal combustion engine and the electric motor. A regular gas-powered car wastes fuel just sitting at red lights. An electric motor, however, is incredibly efficient at low speeds and provides instant, silent power. A hybrid combines them using a clever computerized brain. When you drive slowly, it relies entirely on the electric motor and its hidden battery pack. But when you merge onto the highway and need sustained speed, the gas engine seamlessly wakes up and takes over. And when you need to pass someone on a steep hill, both systems team up, working together to give you a powerful boost. Now, you might be wondering, if you don't have to plug a standard hybrid into a wall, how does the electric battery keep getting recharged? The answer is a brilliant piece of physics called regenerative braking. In a normal car, when you step on the brakes, the brake pads clamp down on the wheels. All of your forward momentum is converted into heat via friction. It's entirely wasted energy. But in a hybrid, when you lift your foot off the gas or press the brake pedal, the electric motor reverses its role and becomes an electrical generator. The physical momentum of the slowing car spins this generator, creating electricity that is instantly fed back into the battery. The car literally captures its own wasted energy and recycles it for your next green light. Ultimately, the hybrid car is a masterpiece of compromise. It took the cross-country range of the gasoline engine and merged it with the quiet efficiency of electricity. It stands as a mechanical bridge between the oil-fueled history of the 20th century and our fully electric future. And to think, the blueprint was sitting there all along, hiding in the year 1900. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this peek under the hood, please hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories for more fascinating stories hiding in everyday life. Until next time, stay curious.